Don't tell me what to like. Don't tell me I've gone too far. I'll take pictures of the sky. I'll fucking listen to NCR. And we'll see who makes their mark. By the time the term is done, we'll see it categorically end. Judgmental views, bad attitude.
What the fuck? Shit.
So glad that I didn't do football this year. Yeah, my mom said if I get straight A's, she's gonna get me a 2005 Mustang for graduation. No joke. Oh, we can totally take it to prom. Oh man, I can just see it now. Stacy in the front seat, Lauren in the back seat, smash.
Alex, whoa! What happened to you? Are your parents home?
Yeah.
No, not right now, but hey.
Bike punch. What we do, man.
So you're saying that you were hit by lightning 2 days ago, and now you can heal things.
No, not things, Cody. Myself. I can heal myself.
Okay. But what does that even, mean?
Like this.
Oh, fuck! What the shit?
No. Wait, dude. Watch. Watch.
Holy shit! Dude, that's fucking awesome!
I know, right?
But why can you do that?
I don't know, man. Something happened to me. I've been doing shit like this all weekend. I've cut and I've stabbed and yesterday I climbed to the top of the tallest tree I could find and just let go. And I'm fine. I'm better than fine. I'm like fucking Superman or something. Damn!
And this all started because you were hit by lightning.
Yeah.
That is the coolest fucking thing I have ever heard. Dude, let's go freak out my brother.
I might take a year off, just drive cross country in the Stang. Train
James!
for the first
Oh my god,
Spartan race,
James! Come on, Alex is really, really hurt. It's really bad. Let's go.
I'm gonna have to call you back. What are you guys doing?
Where's Alex?
James, I just fell on it. It was an accident. James, please help me. James, please. Please.
Oh my god.
Please help me. It was an accident. I just fell on it. James, help me. Please help me. James. Oh my god.
Oh man. What now?
I kind of want to try cutting a finger off.
Oh, yeah. What do you think will happen?
I don't know. I haven't tried severing anything yet. Do you think it would grow back?
Well, you gotta think, what finger would you be okay with losing? Just in case.
What about the thumb?
No, man, that's what separates us from the animal kingdom.
Oh, right. Pointer?
I don't know. Pointing's pretty useful, right? It comes in handy.
Comes in handy. Get it?
Good.
Well, the middle finger is out of the question.
Yeah.
So that leaves the ring finger or the pinky.
Well, the ring finger is good if you ever want to get married.
Yeah, but ever since the switch on my Game Boy broke, my pinky's the only way I can turn it on.
This is true.
Ring finger. Okay. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. Okay, let's do it. All right. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Dude, what the shit?
Oh my god. Does it hurt? I mean, like,
Why are you hesitating?
What do you mean?
You just cut off a finger.
I know. I just cut off my finger. I know I just cut off my finger. I just cut off my finger. Oh my gosh.
I thought it was your son. Now it's your...
How was your nap?
Please.
I
thought it was your
What? Wait.
You good? Alex?
No way! Dude, you're gonna be rich off this shit, man. I'm so stoked. You don't even need to go to college after this. You're like set for life. That is the craziest thing I've ever seen. There has to be a way that we can make money off of that, I swear.
Hey, looks like there's gonna be another storm today.
Dude, I've got an idea.
Hey, no, wait! Shit! Hey man, I don't think this is gonna work. We've been here for like 30 minutes.
Dude, it's totally gonna work. We just need more tinfoil.
Yeah, but this is a dumb idea. I have a really bad feeling about this now.
Dude, but think of all the other possibilities though, like levitation or telepathy or mind reading. Dude, mind reading! That would be so awesome.
Telepathy is mind reading.
What?
Never mind. Dude, I think we should just go home, okay? I'm soaked.
Nah, man. Just a little bit longer. Hey, do you think your brother would go out with me?
Dude, you're not dating my brother.
No, I'm just saying that
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Alex! Alex! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Alex! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Wake up! Wake up, girl! Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Oh no! Oh my god! No! Wake up! Hello? Oh!
Did it happen?
Yeah, man! Are you okay?
My hand. Stab it. Stab my hand. Stab it! Stab it!
Well, you had a good run, man.
Yeah, I really did.
Hey, I'm sorry that I stabbed your hand with a stick.
No, man, it's all good. You did what you had to do.
All right, well, I gotta get home for dinner, but I'll come by tomorrow, all right?
Yeah.
Get some rest, dude. I'll put in a good word with my brother for you.
Fuck you.